Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth on XIAOMI Book S. To do this, we have two different options. First one, and I think much quicker one, is to click on the Wi-Fi sound and battery sign right here. That way you'll be able to find the Bluetooth. You can click on the Bluetooth sign to activate or deactivate it. In this case, when it's grayed out like this, it's powered off, and when it's yellow, it's on. Now, another way to do it is to click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, enter the System, or actually Bluetooth and other devices, not the system. Then there's the Bluetooth that you can also activate or deactivate. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.